Hello, kids! Ready to learn about ancient animals?
Yes!
Great! Look, this is a Tyrannosaurus.
Wow!
This is a dinosaur. The dinosaur is me.
A for Allosaurus. B for Brachiosaurus. B for Brachiosaurus. B for Brachiosaurus. C for Carnotaurus. C for Carnotaurus. D for Diplodocus. D for Diplodocus. E for Edmontosaurus. E for Edmontosaurus. F for Fabrosaurus. F for Fabrosaurus. G for Gallimimus. G for Gallimimus. H for Hadrosaurus. I for Iguanodon. I for Iguanodon. J for Janinskia. J for Janinskia. K for Kentrosaurus. K for Kentrosaurus. L for Lambeosaurus. L for Lambeosaurus. M for Megalosaurus. N for Nodosaurus. N for Nodosaurus. O for Oviraptor. O for Oviraptor. P for Parasaurolophus. P for Parasaurolophus. P for Parasaurolophus. Q for Kianzhosaurus. Q for Kianzhosaurus. R for Raptor. R for Raptor. R for Raptor. S for Stegosaurus. S for Stegosaurus. S for Stegosaurus. T for Triceratops. T for Triceratops. U for Utahraptor. U for Utahraptor. U for Utahraptor. V for Velociraptor. V for Velociraptor. W for Werchosaurus. W for Werchosaurus. X for Sinoceratops. X for Sinoceratops. Y for young Tyrannosaurus. Y for young Tyrannosaurus. Z for Zuniceratops. Z for Zuniceratops.